Guys, may adlaw na guys. Nandito sa palayan guys. May nagalaga dito na pispang guys. At titingnan guys kung mayroon bang tilapia o anong klaseng isda guys dito guys. Tingnan na guys. Come on. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Guys, tingnan niyo guys. Ang daming tilapia guys. Wow. Ang ganda tignan guys. Kapag maraming tilapia na alagaan guys. Tingnan niyo guys. Wow. Ang dami talaga guys. Tingnan niyo guys. May kulay pang orange guys. Tilapia yan guys.
What?
Wow. Masarap na maligus yung tilapia guys. Madali lang madami guys. Tingnan niyo guys. May kulay white. Tingnan niyo guys. Wow, ganda tignan. Masarap magalaga na tilapia guys. Pwede ibinta sa palengke guys. Madali na ito mabinta guys. Sarap pa ulamin. Tingnan niyo guys. Kulay orange guys. Wow, ganda tignan. Tilapia. The best. Pang ulam sa Pilipino guys. At tilapia guys. Wow. Tilapia guys, lapitan mo guys. Lapitan sa guys. Parang pag-ibig guys. Mahalin mo yung isang bagay. Lumapit din sa iyo. Thank you for watching guys. God bless.